Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison and Work. Previously, I had the review for Ajmal Perfume, Arabic perfume called Silver something, I forgot. So this time, I had this another perfume which is called Neutron, under the brand of Ajmal. So this is actually a Neutron. It's for Maison, and then let's look at the box first. So this is the box. Oh my god. Okay, this is the box. Front, on the side, behind. So here's the detail. Okay, and then on the side, below, on top. Then let's look at the bottle. Okay. Okay. So this is here's the bottle. Okay. Is just Neutron Ajmal in front. Then on the side. On the side, nothing. And below, Ajmal Perfume made in UAE, EVP, if you can see. I'm not sure whether you can see or not. And then here's the cap. So the cap, it looks like a metal, but actually it's a plastic. It's like this, right? So I'm gonna tell you what I think about this perfume later on. Let's look into the details of the perfume. Okay, wait. Okay, I'll put the link below the video if you're interested. So here's the okay, some pictures. Okay. Okay. And then the description. You can pause and watch. And then let's look at the details. Wait. Okay, you got it. Then the customer review. Testimony. Okay, and that's it. So I'll share the link below the video later on. By the way, I got this in Singapore, which is only from Mustafa Center, only for around $10 Singapore, or Malaysian ringgit like 35 ringgit. It's very refreshing. It smells like sporty. Very refreshing. I don't know how to explain, but refreshing and sporty. And then, of course, this is actually Arab perfume, so there's like Arabic scents also. Not really my favorite, but okay lah. I like it, and it would be nice also to use for formal events. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.